guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm giving very much puppy dog vibes. It is Monday morning. I did my hot girl walk this morning with Atticus. I did a 30-minute strength and HIIT Pilates workout, and I got my Sakara delivery, which you saw. So this week I'm going to be vlogging, obviously. So I'm going to do a what I eat in a week in this vlog. I bought no groceries. It's Monday and I bought no groceries. I'm just going to eat Sakara all week because I want to be a healthy little reset moment for my body. So let's make breakfast. I'm gonna have coffee this morning. I'm sorry I started doing the cinnamon bun spread in my iced coffee, and breakfast today is roasted pear pancakes with sweet cinnamon jam. Okay, so Sakara meals are notoriously small for breakfast, which is fine because I don't eat a lot for breakfast, but it's a good little moment. I'm gonna have my breakfast, and then I have a doctor's phone appointment, and then I need to shoot some content, and Atticus has his vaccine appointment later. I went to my mom's and I got the decorations that I had at her house for fall, so I'm going to finish this up, and then we're going to decorate for fall a little bit more. These are the boxes that I got from my mom's house, just all of my fall decor that I've accumulated from my old apartments. I just keep it at my mom's house. I have more in the boxes, but this is what I've recovered that I actually really want to put out. So I'm gonna put all of this out and then see how I feel if I want more. But I think this is a good little mix to add on to everything. I'm thinking of putting that garland with the lights over this mirror. I just have to figure out how to do that. Oh, since I was blocking your food, I'm so sorry. Girl, are we sure about this? Are we absolutely sure what direction we're going in? Maybe that makes more sense. Like half of it is lit, half of it's not. Fall. So if we unlit her, that's what it looks like. We don't have any more over there, but that's okay. We can kind of just not look. The last item is the jack-o'-lantern lights, but where does one put those? Because last year I put it on my mirror. Occupied. Maybe behind my couch, but you can't see the jack-o'-lanterniness. This is obviously not gonna be long enough for behind the couch. Maybe on the console. That looks so bad. Okay, so as I await your comments, this is what I've done. I just put back everything except for the gold candelabras. It's Wednesday. I really fell off the wagon with documenting what I'm eating in a day. Really not good at vlogging for the entire week. I usually just do like a few days, but with this meal prep, I was like, oh, we'll do the whole week. Nar, queen. Anyway, I just finished filming a different video. I've been editing. I'm just gonna make this bowl for lunch. So this is Wednesday's lunch. It's the Inner Fire bowl. It is a Korean barbecue inspired bowl, but it's plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, the whole thing. I'm just gonna heat this up, eat it, and then go edit. wanted to organize my superfood holistic cabinet because it is a mess. So I put my daily things here. So we've got my beauty water, which adds minerals. I have CBD drops that I add. I have L-theanine, which I'm starting to take for mood booster. I take a probiotic every single day. And then I keep my Ritual multivitamin by my bed because that's the one that's non-negotiable. And then over here, these are all of the ones that my holistic doctor recommended to me, but I'm not starting them yet until we get my labs back and we find everything. Excuse the broken nail, I'm going tomorrow. But then these are all like specific targeted things, like this is for stress, that one's for sleep, I don't know, but that's that row. And then those are just specific, like iron, calcium. And then here's my little lazy Susan with my superfoods to go in my smoothies. Up here is collagen, protein to go in your smoothies, more powders, matcha, more things to go in your drinks, and then all of my Bloom stuff. So I have greens and superfoods, which is like an anti-bloat thing, and then my pre-workout, more protein in the back, that's that. And then this is my restock up here. Extra collagen, extra protein, more ginger tea, all the restock is going up there. That's currently the situation, but I have been wanting to tackle this for so long, and I'm happy I finally got to it. It is 8 o'clock on Thursday night. This week was very off for me. I have off weeks a lot. I went really good for like 4 weeks, and then this week was just like, when Instagram shut down for the day, that's when things took a turn. But I'm really trying to pick things back up. I'm gonna have dinner because I'm still doing the Sakara thing, and they sent over the rest of the week, so Thursday, Friday. So I'm gonna have Sakara dinner. Let's see what tonight's dinner is. Okay, Thursday's dinner is a garden shepherd bowl, but I'm not down for that. I didn't have Tuesday's dinner. So Tuesday's dinner is it was a soothing butternut squash soup, and then it comes with tahini swirls. And then Thursday's dinner I'll just give to like my mom or someone, whoever wants, you know, a healthy vegan shepherd moment. I'm probably just gonna read and go to bed, and I'm trying to get up earlier, so I need to go to bed earlier. I get terrible sleep, and I don't know why, but I'm gonna talk with my holistic doctor and my health coach about my sleep and like how to improve my sleep quality. The number one thing is get off your phone, but I can't do that. Okay, I've got like 50 screens going. It's so bad. Anyway. So I got my soup, I got my tahini swirls, I got Sybil. And I'm going to watch Tagback TV. He's playing Far Cry 6. So I'm watching Tagback TV's live stream of him playing Far Cry 6 because he live streams games, and I love him for Red Dead Redemption 2. One day I will be a gaming YouTuber. I'll have my own channel for it when I know how to balance every single thing I want to do. But I want to go back to school before I become a gamer because there's just so much. There's so much that I want to do. Is that my Capricorn? What is that? Okay, I didn't get a clip before I left, but this is my outfit. I went to an Amaryllis event with Catherine and Amber and Sheridan. This blazer is from Zara, I think. The top is from White Fox Boutique, and the leather pants are from Miss Lola. And the shoes, I have no idea, but if I can find the link, I will put it in the description box below. But yeah, that was my outfit of the night. I just got my iPhone 13 Pro delivered. I've been waiting for this bad boy for a while. I ordered it September 26th, and she didn't get here till now. These are hard to cop, apparently. But yeah, I wanted to show you the transfer. I have an iPhone 11 Pro, so a big difference for me. I'm very excited, and my camera is shattered. I don't know why that sounded half British. It's bigger than the 11 Pro, or is that my eyes? I think it's bigger. Look at her. Oh my God, I need to, oh, I have cases. Let me get the cases first. I am selling all of the 11 Pro cases that I have that I never use. They're still in the packaging, so I'm never gonna use them. They don't fit my phone, so I'm selling them on Depop if you wanna check out my Depop. Cases that I got, we got a spooky moment, little spooky ghost. I think that's what we're gonna go with because Halloween. We got naked ladies. Love. You guys remember my titty case? If you do, that's a great case. And then my classic lips. I just love the lips. I had that one last time too. I think we're gonna do spooky ghost today, so let's get her ready. Okay, this is the moment that we all love. Ready? Oh, that feels good. I've never gotten them in gold in my life, but I've always gotten the white or silver. This is cute! Wait, did you see the hello? Stop. Why is that so cute? Why is this so easy? I'm gonna use Wi-Fi. Chateau Mirabella, let's go. Okay, we're gonna set up Face ID. Love her. I literally hate this because it makes me realize how ugly I am in the front camera. This phone is thick. I'm not used to having such a thick phone. I like the dainty little ones because I have tiny hands. Download from iCloud, I don't want to put the case on yet. It's just so sexy the way she is. Just, okay, I don't remember having to take a SIM card out of my last iPhone upgrade, but it was like, no SIM card. So I was like, okay. Girl, this is impossible. That's my SIM card? Ooh, she's sexy. I know it ain't. I know it ain't. The stallion. This feels like I'm on an episode of Blacklist. I don't know. I just did it. I can't stop. You know it's your girl. Oh, I have service. Why are my texts not showing up? I'm a little suspicious. But look it, everything is the same. Oh no. The worst part of getting a new phone is logging into everything. Oh God. When you're using Do Not Disturb, no, I don't want them to know I put them on disturb. What is that? Let's put the ghosties on. Look it. Ah! It's so cute. Okay. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go make grilled cheese. Sorry. I do not like the way I look. Let's turn off this light. I'm going to make my grilled cheese. I do everything for the soup in a pan and then I bake that for 30 minutes. And that's how I make the soup. It's so, I don't have coconut milk. And that's a really big part of this. We're not doing that because I don't have coconut milk, and that's a very big part. The grilled cheese, not gonna happen, but I will do it tomorrow night. And I think I'll either start the vlog for next week or I can film another night in my life video, just do it in that and just like film the whole night. Give me your ideas below. Do you want me to do that like a night in my life with like making grilled cheese and stuff like that? Or should I just do it in next week's vlog and like put it in as a little segment? Let me know down below. But I'm going to have some hot chocolate. I did make some salted caramel hot chocolate with oat milk. And then I am going to make those cookies that I love so much. Let me get them. It's a cozy moment tonight, okay? I'm gonna watch my Halloween movie, have my cookies, have my hot chocolate. But these are the cookies that I love. They're the immaculate, honestly delicious, gluten-free chocolate chunk cookies. No dairy, no bleach, no artificial flavors or preservatives. So we love her. Oh yeah, we have to talk about my health for a minute because I have an appointment with my Parsley Health doctor next week. Everything got moved up. I'll talk more about it once I go to the appointment, so I'll put that in the vlog for next week. But I did get back results from my blood test and that mold toxin test. I don't have a mold toxin problem, so there's no chance that I could have gotten a disease from that. So most likely, I think I might just be gluten intolerant and have vitamin deficiencies. Unless we do more tests and she finds something else, but that's like what I'm having a hunch towards because when I did do my vitamins, I'm severely lacking iron and vitamin D. That could be the problem for me, and I have a sensitivity to gluten and my body's inflamed, but they didn't check my inflammatory markers because whatever, but I think I'm just gonna get more blood work done like with their lab because I had to do it with my insurance. So I might do that and see where my inflammatory levels are because I just think my body is very inflamed. I have eczema, but I have no mold. So that's really cool if you guys care because I know like I tell you about my health all the time and I had to share that with you. Atticus is eating. I'm really sorry about the noise. Oh, I got my haircut too. Nobody asked. Okay, I'm only gonna make 6 because it's just me.